Your iPhone allows you to use Face ID to both lock apps as well as unlock or log into apps. I'll show you how to set up Face ID for both instances on any given app. So the first thing you're going to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. From here, scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode and enter in the passcode that you use to unlock your phone. If you haven't already set up a Face ID, scroll down and you'll see an option that will say set up your Face ID. Now within here, you can use your Face ID for a number of different things. And this is really helpful to be able to log into certain apps, especially like banking apps. Instead of entering your passcode every time, you can use your Face ID when you go to log in. So just tap on other apps and just toggle it on. You can see I really like this feature. It allows me to log in easily to my Amex or my Bank of America, or even logging into other apps. You can see it allows me to use my Face ID for that. However, if you don't necessarily mean this, you want to lock a certain app so that no one will be able to access it without using that Face ID, you can always do that. And you can do it by pressing and holding on the app and then just choose Require Face ID and Require Face ID. You'll be able to see it will use my Face ID real quick and I can hit done. And just like that, I've locked that app. So if anybody gains access to my iPhone and they tap on that Photos app, you'll be able to see it says try again using Face ID, and it won't show them that information unless I am in the screen and show my Face ID. So again, you can use it both to log into banking apps and certain secure apps, as well as protecting your privacy by locking certain apps as well. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.